This butter basting trick has completely changed how I cook New York strip steaks. Great sear and great flavor. Here we go. Season the steaks well with salt. These are each 3/4 pound, 1-inch thick New York strip steaks. Ideal. Smash 3 cloves of garlic, remove the skins, but don't chop anything here. You want it chunky. And get 5 tablespoons of butter cut into slices or cubes and a few sprigs each of fresh rosemary and of fresh thyme. Heat a couple tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. When it's hot and shimmering, put those New York strips in there and then leave them alone. Don't touch them for 2 minutes so you build a crust underneath. Then you still leave them alone and add the butter, rosemary, and thyme and smashed garlic all around them. Stir that around and between the steaks as the butter melts so it infuses with the garlic and herb flavor. Once the butter is fully melted, flip the steaks and then lower the temperature to medium. Now you baste those steaks continuously with the flavored butter. Just keep basting until you get to your desired temperature. I like my steak around medium, which is about 3 to 4 minutes of basting. When they're at the temperature that you like, take the steaks out of the pan so they stop cooking and let them rest for 5 minutes. Now, do not throw out that melted butter. Do not throw it out. It looks dark, I know, but that's really beefy flavor and garlicky and herby flavor too. It just needs a bit of salt and then it makes an amazing dip for the steak or for the potatoes you're serving on the side. Okay, now tell me, have I changed how you cook New York strip steaks? Get more taste easy recipes at cookthestory.com.